Hey guys, so today's video is going to be a little bit out of the ordinary today. So I thought I'd show you something I found today. So it's about 24 degrees outside right now. Actually no, that's more like 10 degrees outside right now. So coming outside, look at the creek, and so I'm not sure you can tell what's going on here. Let's see if I can find a twig, actually. Here we go. So, yeah, you can see. So this is my winter gear. I'm actually wearing 3 jackets right now. That's my glove. Sorry. Okay, so I'm gonna throw this stick out there. It's like completely frozen over and I love it. Oh my gosh. So I was out here just a few minutes before. Got one very low flying jet. Yeah. Another stick. Throw. There it is. Alright, so I also found this. I think it's like some oil ice. But sounds like a drum. There's here, look. See, there's like actually no water under there. Like I can just, oops, sorry. See, I can just, ew, it's muddy. And it's actually pretty thick. It's about a 1/4 inch thick. And this is also, that's actually pretty thick. Huh. Okay, so I actually haven't done this yet. That was well frozen in there. So I'm gonna crash this stick to the ice right here. And now I cracked the stick and made a pretty big puddle. Now there's some pretty air bubbles under there too. So now we can, oh cool, look at that inclusion. So now you can see that the ice is actually about 1 inch thick. Of course, not hardly thick enough to support my weight, but yeah. That sound it made was just so cool. I gotta do that again. Ow. Stick, ice. Whee! Smaller stick, frozen, ice. It sounds like a laser blaster. And then there's this. Seems pretty solid. I don't put my, whoops. I don't put my entire weight on that. So yeah, I just thought I'd let you guys enjoy this. Again, it is less than satisfactory temperature out here. Oh, by the way, cool fact. You can tell that's pretty thick. If I have my foot on it. Sounds like dirt. Hang on, that's my brother. Okay, well, see you guys. Bye.